Hi there, welcome to MDS301 Prior Learning Seminar. My name is Michal Yadlin. I use she, her pronouns, and I will be your instructor for the course this semester. This is a really fascinating course, and I'm really excited that you decided to take this. I love being able to learn about your experiences. I love being able to learn about the career choices that you've made, the different experiences that you've had, and how these connect to the different courses that you can challenge out of in the MDS program. I think this is also a really exciting course for you to take because it's a really wonderful way for you to look back at all of your past experiences and see how they are specifically applying to the different courses that this program offers. I have taught this course several times in the past, but you might see another instructor throughout the course in different videos. This is the person who created the course. I'm just taking over the course this semester for him while he teaches some other stuff. So you might see a different face in these videos throughout the semester, but I will always do a video introduction to kind of let you know what the module is going to look like for the week and the type of work that you're going to have to do for the week as well. One thing to mention about this prior learning seminar is that even though it's a 1-credit course, it can often feel like a lot more work than a 1-credit course. And that's on your end and on my end as well. If you are challenging multiple courses, you are essentially doing several credits worth of work in 7 weeks. So I don't want that to overwhelm you, and I don't want that to keep you from trying to maybe limit the classes that you want to do. I do want you to think carefully about what you think you can really appropriately challenge out of. And we'll do a lot of brainstorming on that and a lot of kind of conversing with classmates about what is appropriate and what fits best for your situation. But I also want to reassure you that it doesn't all have to be done in these 7 weeks. You can challenge out of one course this semester, and then maybe in the spring do another course, maybe in the summer do another course. You have a full calendar year to challenge out of these different courses that you would like to do. So this course is a really great way for you to kind of get a foundation of what those challenges look like, but they don't all have to be done at the same time. I also want to let you know that in some cases it might be kind of an emotional experience to dig back into your past experiences, just depending on what they might be. So I want to encourage you to reach out to me if you are experiencing things that you don't like, or if you are finding it difficult to process your thoughts. I'm based out of Boise, so I'm happy to meet with you face to face, but also happy to talk via email, on the phone, over Zoom, so many different options. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me. We are doing this course through Canvas. If you are new to Boise State, welcome. And I think you will find Canvas pretty easy to use. If you are someone who is used to using Blackboard, I think you will still find Canvas pretty easy to use. Just below this video is a quick video on just how to navigate through Canvas. So feel free to take a look at that if you are new, but also at the same time realize that we are all working with Canvas for the first time. So any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. If there's things that look confusing or you can't seem to get from one thing to another, don't hesitate to reach out and we will do some troubleshooting if we need to. I think that is all the housekeeping that I have for you today. But as I said, all of my information is in the syllabus and on Canvas, so please let me know how things are going. We are going to do a lot in these 7 weeks. It's going to be a lot of work, but I think it's going to be a lot of really great work. And I know for some of you, it's going to save you some time and some money as you work on your degree plan. For some of you, it'll be a really great experience to dig into those past jobs that you've had and those past experiences that you've done. So I hope that overall you find this a really positive experience, that you find this a really successful experience for you as we turn these challenges over to the course reviewers. whenever you decide to challenge. And I hope it makes you feel really proud about all the things that you've accomplished so far. So don't hesitate to reach out. I am here, happy to answer any questions that you might have. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you for listening. And the secret word for the syllabus quiz is elephant. Take care, have a great day, have a great week, and really looking forward to seeing everything that you work on over the course of the semester.